Hi friends, myself Rupesh Jain. We belong to Etchon Marks Control. We are into manufacturing of marking machines. We manufacture laser marking machines. We manufacture dot pin marking machines. We are in the laser welding machines. So these all machines which stand to the 80% of the metal industry. We sell our products complete India. We have more than 11,000 installations. We export our products to almost 58 countries. It's a pride for the nation, basically. This time, MASSIA has taken a lot of efforts to get the quality crowd to the event, and it's really fantastic. We're enjoying. Even in our stall, 8 to 10 people are even getting shorter to get the detail to the client or to get the product displayed and everything. So wish you best luck to everybody, the clients and we too, that we should get a good business from that. Thank you very much.